Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TKMaths is Fun. In today's video, we will see another question on a speed time graph. And let's see the interpretation of the graph first without looking at the question. Okay, so suppose at 0 second, what is happening? As time is increasing, the speed is increasing. The y-axis is my speed meter per second and x-axis is time per second. So for first 10 second, if I see, the speed has increased from 0 second to 2 meter per second. Afterwards, what happened? The speed is same, 2 meter per second, which is here. Speed is same, 2 meter per second. For how long? From here till here. Let's see here. It is 20 and this is 10. It means for 10 seconds, the speed of the car or of the object was same. Then what happened after 20 seconds? Again, it is going up. It means the speed is increasing. You can see from here. This one is more than 2.5, I believe, and so on. So between 20 seconds to 40 seconds, this is the time period during which the car is speeded up. Right. So now let's come to the question. We know one thing. The speed time graph gives us two types of information which are hidden, which are not obvious. What is the obvious information? Obvious information is that at 10 seconds, the speed was 2 meter per second. From 10 seconds to 20 seconds, the speed was constant. It's a straight line. From 20 seconds to 40 seconds, the speed was increasing. From 0 second to 10 seconds, here, the speed is increasing. Now, if I ask you, in which time slot the speed was increasing at a greater rate? Between 0 to 10 seconds or between 20 to 40 seconds? Now, if you see the slant of this line and the slant of this line, or the slope, if you understand slope, then I mean the blue slope or the red slope, this one. Let me put it green. Green slope. Which one is steeper? 0 to 10 seconds. The green one is steeper. So it means between 0 to 10 seconds, the speed of the graph was changing at a higher rate compared to the 10 to 40 second time interval. What is the hidden information? This is the obvious information on the graph. The hidden information is it gives you acceleration. The speed time graph gives you acceleration and it gives you distance. So what does it give you? Acceleration of the object or the distance the car or the object has covered. This is the hidden information. How do you find out? If I ask you, find out the acceleration between 20 to 40 seconds. It means this is 20 and this is 40. It means I'm interested in the acceleration of this portion. So like I said earlier, just take 2 points on this segment, line segment, and find the gradient formula. So the point here is, for example, 20, 2 and here 40, 4. So I can find out the acceleration very clearly because acceleration is equals to gradient. And what is the formula for the gradient? y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I will apply this formula on the 2 points of the line between 20 to 40 seconds. So 4 minus 2 over 40 minus 20. Okay. So my acceleration is 110 meter per second square. Unit is already written here, so you don't need to worry about it. If car says, now there is no question, but I'm making it up. Suppose question says, find out the distance covered in 10 seconds from the beginning. 0 to 10 seconds, how much distance is covered? Then what will you do? You will only find out the area from 0 to 10 second area under the curve till x-axis. It is a triangle. So the distance covered in 10 seconds is, what will I do here? Area of a triangle is half into height into base. Right? So area will give me the distance in a speed time graph. So height is what? This is your height 2 and base is 10. Okay, so my area will be equals to 10 meter because area under the graph give me the what? distance. If I ask you, find out the total distance covered during the journey of 0 to 40 seconds, then what will you do? I'm repeating the question. Find out the total distance covered between 0 to 40 seconds during this journey. What will you do? You will find out the area under the curve till x-axis. Now, it is not a regular shape, so you have to divide it into 3 portions. For example, till here it is triangle, this is rectangle, and the other part is a trapezium. So you will find out the area of a triangle, which you have already found. Area of the rectangle, let me call it B, A and C. So area of the rectangle, which I am calling B, will be length into width, right? So this is 10 and this is 2. So it is 10 times 2, which is 20 meter. Then what about the last area, C? Then I will add up all 3 because I have to find the distance covered between 0 to 40 seconds. Which shape is this? If you look at it, this line and this line is parallel, and this one is your height. So it is area of a trapezium, half into height into sum of parallel sides. So what is my height? The distance between 2 parallel sides from here till here. So it is 20. And what are my parallel sides? This one. It's not necessary that parallel lines are always horizontal. No, you have to see. So here it is 0 to 4 and here it is 0 to 2. It means 4 plus 2. So what will I do now? I will find out this area and add up this, this, and the one I will just find. Okay, so now I will add up 10 plus 20 plus 60, 90 meter. So distance covered by the object in 0 to 70 seconds is 90 meters. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please press like and subscribe button and share it with your friends. Take care. In the next video, I will make distance time graph questions.